Do you think he is justified to say he is technically innocent and that people should believe him? Or do you believe in going by the whole court process and let that run its course?
Well, a grand jury is not, um, they're not a court that determines guilt.
Mm-hmm.
The grand jury is looking for evidence. So, there have been some accusations made or some questions made that the government, quote unquote, believes is of significant public interest to the degree that they convene the court convenes a grand jury.
Mm-hmm.
And their job is to find evidence or to see if there's enough evidence for probable cause. If there is, then there will be an indictment and I guess a charge, if you will. And then it will be up to the court to determine whether or not, through a trial, to determine whether or not the accused is guilty. Point in fact, Senator McCorry right now is innocent.
Mm-hmm.
There is no question to his innocence right now because the contrary hasn't been established, and that won't be established until there is until there's a hearing before a court, and there's a trial, so to speak. So right now there's a lot of talk. It's very, very controversial. He is no doubt going to be sidelined because of the grand jury investigation, but his guilt is it's not going to be determined by this investigation. My major concern is less with Senator McCrory and more with the damage that's being done to the community which he represents, which is a tremendous damage being done, and that it can't be undone. So the community is irreparably being harmed by the allegations and the investigation. He is innocent, so he maybe some personal hits here and there, but the devastation to the community is monumental.